Shoot a baby in her mouth.
Go, Eddie. Get up on the window.
You get some too? No!
What?
Country, give the baby, but the country, give the baby.
Look over there, Caleb. Look at that. He's climbed up.
She has pet every animal in here.
Oh.
Good job, B.
Pick up hands.
You find one? Pull it out. You see one? Oh. Well, okay. I didn't explain that very well, did I?
Yeah.
All right. We found eggs, though, didn't we?
Yeah.
This one. Want to do one more?
You want to feed the goat? Feed the goat.
Oh, it didn't smell that bad. Oh, come on. Veronica, you have stinky feet.
Sophie, now walk over here.
Baby, I want some more.
I can't believe he's letting him do it.
Oh, he loves our dog.
Get him the lettuce, still.
Oh,
He got it right out of the bucket.